cat owners would agree with me that cleaning out the litter box is the worst part about owning a cat. And this product aims to take away the hassle of cat ownership. So we're gonna be taking a look at it today. I'm super excited. And if you guys stay till the second half of this video, I'll actually be introducing this product to my cats at home for the very first time. We'll get to see their reaction. Should be pretty fun. But let's first talk about this product and just sort of what it looks like. I mean, it kind of looks like Kenny from South Park. Every time I look at it, that's what I think of. So it's got this giant globe, we'll call it the globe, and this sort of plastic bonnet that goes over. It's pretty much full plastic construction, very sturdy though. Now obviously the globe is where you would put the litter and where the cat would do his business, and we'll discuss how that works in just a moment. But the inside here, at least for the bottom half where the litter would go, is lined with a really solid rubber. It's very high quality, it's super durable, easy to clean. We'll talk about that momentarily, and it just seems like it's built to last. Additionally, we've got some buttons here and some LED indicators. In front of the globe is a removable rubber mat that's used to catch any litter that your cats may kick out whenever they leave the globe. But it's pretty small, and it's probably not going to catch everything, I would imagine. So you might want to invest in a larger mat that you place in front of it just to ensure that you catch everything. Now you can see here the mat actually sits on top of a handle that allows you to pull out this removable tray, which gives you access to a lined baggie where all of the poop and other clumped bits fall into after a cleaning cycle has taken place. Now in order to show you guys how all of that crap gets to the bottom of this thing in the first place, we should probably talk about how the heck this thing works. So for starters, you need to fill it up with litter, all right? And you need to use a clumping litter. It can't be purely absorbent. Clumping is essential for this product to work. You can use bead or crystallized litter. That's totally fine as long as it's fine enough in order to pass through the internal mesh screen. After you pour the litter up to the fill line and turn the unit on, you're pretty much ready to go. At that point, there's a cat sensor that will detect when a cat is inside of the globe. And as soon as your cat leaves the globe after he's done doing his business, there will be a short wait period or a wait time before the unit starts its self-cleaning cycle. At that point, the entire globe starts to rotate slowly, and it does emit a low humming noise while it does this. However, it's very quiet, and I can't imagine most cats would be bothered by it or scared of it unless they're super timid or something like that. We'll have a chance to test it out later, I suppose. And then as it continues spinning, it eventually sifts out all of the clumps, and it separates the clumps with this internal mesh screen from all of the litter. And then at that point, the clumps get dumped through the poop chute, is what I suppose I would call it, and then it gets all trapped into the bottom tray here that we showed earlier. Afterwards, the globe starts to rotate back to its original position, and it actually overshoots its home point for a moment. And that's just so that it can return the litter bed back to a very flat state, so that when your cat jumps in there next time, it's not all lopsided. One of these cleaning cycles takes about 2.5 minutes to fully complete, and then it's ready to go again. I should also mention that if a cat tries to jump into the dome while the cycle is in progress, the cat sensor will pick it up and it'll immediately stop until the cat leaves. Now circling back to disposal for a minute, the manual suggests replacing the bag in the tray once a week if you have one cat or twice a week if you have two cats. So it's actually not too bad. Remove